So this last video, the question I'm about to do is probably about as nasty as they get. So if you find it difficult, that's totally fine. It's difficult for everyone who's doing this. I'm going to start off in exactly the same way as I started the other one. So I'm going to take notice of the transformations that are happening to the graph. I can see right away that the amplitude in this case is 4. And the period will be calculated as 2 pi over n. In this case, n is 2 because it's that 2 right there in front of the x. So it's 2 pi over 2, which just works out to be pi. So that's kind of nice. Also, we have a reflection in the x-axis, so the graph is going to be turned upside down. Notice that the graph has moved pi on 3 units to the right, and it's also moved down 2 root 3 units. All of that combines to just make it a real mess. Just so you're aware, this video might take more than one video to do, so we'll see how we go for time. And also in the last video I forgot to actually get rid of my dotted line, so that was something that I should have done and something which you should do if you now watching this, go and make that correction to it. Righto, so where do I go to next? Well, negative 2 root 3. Okay, root 3 you said last time was about 1.73, so 2 lots of that makes it about 3.4-ish. Okay, and so this is negative 3.4. I'm going to put that about there. So that value is negative 2 root 3, and I'm going to draw the dotted line along there like I did in the last video. And I apologise in advance if I forget to erase that again. Now, the amplitude is going to go 4 units either side of that. So, if we've got negative 3.4 plus 4, it puts it about 0.6, which is probably just above the x-axis somewhere there. So that is negative 2 root 3 plus 4. And then we have to go 4 units down as well. So, negative 3.4 take away another 4 units. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be down here somewhere at negative 2 root 3 minus 4. So they are the upper and lower points. I'm going to now go and calculate the y-intercept, and after that I'll calculate the x-intercepts as well. So for the y-intercept, let x equal 0. So we get y equals negative 4 cos of 2, and then it's just negative pi on 3 minus 2 root 3. So that's going to give us negative 4 cos of negative 2 pi on 3 minus 2 root 3. Now, cos of negative 2 pi on 3, that's going to be in the third quadrant, so we know that cos is going to be negative there, and cos of pi on 3 would be the basic angle, which is just half, so this should just be negative half. Negative half multiplied by negative 4 is 2, and then we've got minus 2 root 3. So another way of looking at that, or considering that, would be if it is negative 2 root 3 plus 2. So that's actually going to be up here somewhere. So that is the y-intercept of this graph. Now, additionally, I'm going to calculate the x-intercepts. I'm running out of time here, so I am definitely going to have to make a second video for this. So let y equals 0. Now this is kind of nice here. So we have 0 equals negative 4 cos 2 bracket x minus pi on 3 minus 2 root 3. I can add 2 root 3 to both sides of the equation. So 2 root 3 equals negative 4 cos 2 of x minus pi on 3. I can then divide it by negative 4. So negative 2 root 3 over 4 equals cos of 2x minus pi on 3.